Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what the next mythical epic is going to look like after the Arcturian mythical epic, so let's get into the video. Okay, so if we go down here, we can see that there is a new mythical epic that just got leaked. Not sure why it's out, but it is. And it's going to be an Aquadile remake, and it looks really cool. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in the CDN. So here it is blue eyes. This kind of looks like an ear. It is like a fire type mane. And here is the spine. There's like a red tornado right here. You can see like a bunch of its attack animation particles. It is a weird orange gem up here, and it has a tail down here. This is an eye, I'm assuming, but it does look really cool. So yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. The first one that I was filming of this actually had Prodigy Prince in it, because I found him while I was recording, but my video recorder crashed. So yeah, bye.